Daily conversation practice. Talking about family.
How many siblings do you have?
I have two siblings, an older brother and a younger sister.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
Where does your family live?
My family lives in New York City.
What do your parents do for a living?
My father is a doctor and my mother is a teacher.
Who is the oldest in your family?
My father is the oldest in our family.
Do you have any cousins?
Yes, I have a few cousins on both my mother's and father's side. Are you the oldest amongst your brothers and sisters?
Yes, I am. How often do you see your extended family?
We usually get together for holidays and special occasions.
Sorry, I have to go now.
That's okay. Nice talking to you.
Bye.